Princess. Come here, Princess. Let me see your new bell. Come here, Princess. Come here. Princess.
Come on here. Come here, baby.
There's Nellie on Mike's head.
Princess, come here.
Come here, Princess. Hi.
What do you got there? I can hear you from all the way across the yard.
She got a new cowbell.
Boy.
Come here, Princess. Do do do. Would I go bells? Hi, Dad.
Alright. I think Ellie's having some problems connecting to that air. That's better.
Woo.
When you stand on the bald spot, you can stick better.
I love you. I love you. I love you. Here, girl. There's a bird on my head. What is that?